Hi y'all, today we're going to keep it simple. We're going to make some peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. We got some butter here, we got some marshmallows, we got some peanut butter, and we got some Rice Krispies. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so in our large pot here, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of our butter. Alright, so we have this on a medium-low heat. We're going to go ahead and drop our 12 ounces of marshmallows in here as well. Just going to go ahead, get this all melted. You want to use a medium-low heat, that way the marshmallows don't burn. Okay, as those marshmallows begin to melt, we're going to go ahead and drop in 3/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter. Okay, just as those marshmallows are now 99% melted, cut the heat. I'm going to drop in 7 cups of our Rice Krispies. Get everything well combined. Now we're going to move over, get these poured out. Now you can feel more than welcome to pour these out in some type of baking dish, lightly greased. But I threw some parchment paper on my counter, and I'm just going to dump them out on the counter. Now we're just going to go ahead and spread them out. You can go however thick or thin you want. You just want to kind of make it an even thickness. The thinner you go, the quicker they'll dry out. But we're going to go ahead and let these set up for a little bit. Alright y'all, they've gone ahead and set up. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into whatever size I think I need Rice Krispie treats at. This is why I did it on my counter instead of a baking dish or anything as well, just to keep it a little easier to cut up. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these on a serving tray. Y'all, there we have it. We have a full tray of peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.